Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be opening up Pokemon Scarlet and Violet, Black and White Bolt Flare. I've never seen this before. My dad got it for my birthday, so let's open it. I got the scissors now, so let's now open it. Oh, I don't think I needed scissors. Oh, maybe I do? No. It's off over here. Blue? Okay. Yo, what is this? I've never seen this before. Yo, this is... Yo! Oh, this is way too big. This is... Oh. Oh my god. It has some Pokemon artwork on the back. I don't really know what's fun. It also has, I forgot the names, but I forgot the names. I forgot the legendary Pokemon for Gen 6. This right here, like this right here, is basically what's on the poster. Now let's go on to cards. Okay. So the three cards that are promo cards, yeah, is Tepig, Snivy, and Oshawott, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Okay. Should I open up? First. Flare Bolt. Open up this one first. I'll show the top 10 rares from what from the app that I usually use. Like maybe screen record it and put it on. I don't really know. Yo, that's sick. It's actually sick, energy card. Do they do that with all? So we have Litwick, Lillipup, no idea how to say that. Dino, Leavanny, Hilda. Seeing if I can put it in my deck. Swoobat, Liepard, Woobat, I have no idea. I forgot how to say some Pokemon's name. Okay, now let's open up the black one. Do they say the name here? I really forgot their names. Let's see. No, I don't think they do. It's kind of sad because I forgot their names. I'll put their names like correction for black and white when I'm editing because I was them out. I really forgot Gen 6. You see the energy? Steel, so probably all have that 3. Whirlipede, Girder, Fungus, Larvesta, Moana. Oh. Whatever. Darmanid, Man, Scolipede. That's a pigeon. Cane. Now the white legendary Pokemon. Electric. Okay, sorry guys, I had a little bit of problem. So anyways, the electric probably looks the best with the glowy thingies. Dinokin, Deerling, whatever. The Pint, Ignition Energy, Churn, Stoutland. Oh, to pick, it's different from the other one. DeWatt, Embor. Okay. Attach basic energy from your hand. Okay. It's pretty nice. I don't know. I don't need this though. Just draw 3 cards. I need 3. Draw 3. Okay. Final one for the black one. I remember the white one's name, Reshiram, right? Now what's the black one's? I don't know. Green. Mona. This one feels more bigger than the other ones. Mona, Snivy, Panpour, Girder, Crustle, Bisharp, Mungus, Clang, Beartick, Corona. Ooh. I don't know why I felt bigger. You must discard a basic fire energy from your hand in order to use this ability once. Ability once during the turn. What? I have no idea what that means. Maybe because I'm gonna read it. Okay. Thanks for watching. In maybe like a few minutes, I'm gonna review Vegeta, another SH Figuarts that I have. For my birthday. Okay. Bye.